Hi, I am Swarupa Sail, course instructor for Fluid Mechanics. In this presentation, we will study specific gravity, which is also known as relative density. We will solve some simple problems based on this. Specific gravity is also known as relative density and is denoted by letter G. It is the ratio of density of fluid, that is rho F, to density of standard fluid, that is water, and is denoted as rho W. Hence, G is equal to rho F divided by rho W. This is the equation of G in terms of density. And G can also be written in terms of specific weight. That is, it is defined as the ratio of specific weight of fluid, W of F, to specific weight of standard fluid, that is water, and is denoted by W of W. Hence, G can be written as W of F divided by W of W. So, there are two equations available to find G. One is in terms of density and the other is in terms of specific weight. As per the definition, since G is the ratio of density to density, or it is the ratio of specific weight to specific weight, it has no unit. Now we will see how to find specific gravity of water. Usually in problems, specific gravity of water won't be given. You need to know its value. G of W, that is G of water, is equal to density of fluid, that is rho F, divided by density of water, that is rho W. F represents fluid under consideration, and the fluid under consideration is what? Water. We are trying to find specific gravity of water. Hence, I will replace rho F by rho W. So, rho W divided by rho W will be equal to 1. Hence, specific gravity of water is equal to 1. And even in some of the problems, specific gravity of mercury won't be given. You take it as Gm is equal to 13.6. Now, how to find density or specific weight of fluid? Now, we will check the first one. To find density of liquid, that is rho F, when its specific gravity G is known. We will check the relation available between rho F and G. What is the equation? G is equal to rho F divided by rho W. From this equation, we can conveniently write rho F is equal to G into rho W. So, rho F is equal to G into rho W. The value of G will be given in the problem. Substitute that value here into rho W. What is rho W? That is density of water, which is equal to 1000 kg per cubic meter. So, this is how we find density of fluid knowing the value of specific gravity. Now, we will see how to find specific weight of liquid, that is W of F, when its specific gravity G is known. Before that, we will find out what is the equation which relates specific weight of fluid to specific gravity. The equation is G is equal to W of F divided by W of W. So, we can write W of F, that is specific weight of fluid, is equal to G into W of water. So, that is what is written here, G into specific weight of water. G is the value of specific gravity which will be given in the problem. Substitute that here into 9810 is specific weight of water. We have already seen how to find specific weight of water. Specific weight of water is equal to density of water into G. Density of water is 1000 kg per cubic meter and G is 9.81 meter per second square. 1000 into 9.81 is 9810 and 1 kg meter per second square is written as 1 Newton. Hence, specific weight of water is taken up as 9810 Newton per cubic meter or per meter cube. We'll solve a simple problem. The density of crude oil is 700 kg per cubic meter. Find its specific gravity. Here only one data is given, that is rho F, which is density of fluid, which is equal to 700 kg per cubic meter. We need to find specific gravity, that is G. So the known data is rho F and unknown data is G. Check which is the equation available which relates both these two terms. So what is the equation available to find G? G is equal to rho F divided by rho W. Rho F is 700, which is given in the problem, divided by rho W, which is known to us, that is density of water, which is equal to 1000. Hence, G value is 0.7. Please note here, we haven't written any units for G. Why? Because G is ratio of density to density, hence it has no unit. Next problem. A solid sphere has a radius of 1.5 cm and a mass of 0.038 kg. Find the specific gravity or relative density of the sphere. To begin with, write all the datas given. Which is the first data given? Radius, which is equal to 1.5 cm. This is the radius of the sphere. Since it is in terms of centimeter, we will convert it in terms of meter. Let all the values be in terms of meter. So 1.5 centimeter is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. And which is the next term given? That is mass. Mass is equal to 0.038 kg. So with these two given datas, we need to find specific gravity. So write it over here. G is equal to unknown value. So after that, we need to check out which equations are available to find G. Now we already have seen two equations, that is the equation in terms of density and one more equation in terms of specific weight. Now the question is which equation to use out of these two. We need to use equation 4 if we will be able to find density of fluid. So we will see whether we will be able to find density of fluid here. We will use equation 4. G is equal to rho F divided by rho W. Since unknown value is rho F is equal to mass by volume. Why have I taken this? Mass and volume are already given, so we will be able to easily find rho F. So density of fluid rho F is equal to m by volume. M is equal to 0.038 and volume we need to find. Volume we will be able to find since radius is given and it is a solid sphere. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi as it is, and radius is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 whole raised to 3. So we get volume as 1.413 into 10 raised to minus 5 cubic meter. Since we know mass and volume, we can find density of fluid. So density of fluid is equal to 2690 kg per cubic meter, which we get after we substitute the value of mass and the value of volume, which we have already found out. So knowing the value of rho F, we will be able to find G, as even we know the value of rho W. What is rho W? That is density of water, which is equal to 1000 kg per cubic meter. So substitute rho F 2690 and rho W, that is 1000, to get G is equal to 2.69. And in this problem, please note that mass was given as 0.038 kg. We will solve one more problem. That is the next problem. which is similar to this, okay, wherein the radius of the sphere is given as 1.5 centimeter. Instead of mass, in the next problem, weight is given. Okay, a solid sphere has a radius of 1.5 centimeter and a weight of 0.37278 Newton. Find the specific gravity or relative density of the sphere. So previous and this problem both are same. Okay, but the difference is that instead of mass, here in this problem, weight is given. To begin with, to simplify, we will write all the given datas. First one is radius. R is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Write the conversion. 1.5 centimeter is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. And what are the next data given? Weight. Weight is equal to 0.37278 Newton. With these two datas, we need to find specific gravity. So, to find specific gravity, we know that we have got two equations. One is in terms of density and the other is in terms of specific weight. In previous problem, we used equation 4 because we could find the density of fluid very easily as mass and volume were given. And in this problem, we will be able to find specific weight as weight and volume are known. So, we will write equation 5. G is equal to specific weight of fluid divided by specific weight of water. Now, we will try to find each and every term in this equation. So, specific weight of fluid is equal to weight divided by volume. Weight is given, that is 0.37278, and volume can be found out because radius is known and it is a solid sphere. So, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Write 4 by 3 pi as it is. Radius is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 whole raised to 3, which will give us the value as 1.413 into 10 raised to minus 5 cubic meter. So, unknown value volume is known now. So, we will be able to easily find the value of specific weight. So, specific weight is equal to weight divided by volume, that is 1.413 into 10 raised to minus 5, which will give us the value of specific weight as 26382.166 Newton per cubic meter. So, we know the value of specific weight of fluid and even we know the value of specific weight of water. So, what is specific weight of water? That is 9810 Newton per cubic meter. How to get the value of specific weight of water? Specific weight of water is equal to density of water into G. What is density of water? That is 1000 and value of G is 9.81. So, the unit of density is kg per cubic meter and unit of G is meter per second square. 1 kg meter per second square is Newton and cubic meter is written as it is. So, substitute the value of specific weight here in this equation for G. So, G is equal to specific weight of fluid divided by specific weight of water. So, specific weight of fluid we already found out, right? So, that is 26382.166 divided by 9810, which will give us the value of G as 2.69. Thank you.